Are you following any creator to learn about a new strategy or a new technique in that particular niche? It can be email marketer creator who basically talks only about the email marketing, and then you follow that creator because you love their strategies, whatever he is saying in the post or she is saying in the post. The same way, there are multiple creators out there who post a huge amount of content and valuable content, and then we learn from them on a daily basis. But have you ever thought from a point of a freelancer or from a point of agency owner, where if you are following the same creator, that means either you are interested in his service or you might be looking for the same type of service in the near future. If that is the case, then there are high chances that if you are following that creator, then there are multiple businesses who might be following the same creator to learn about the new strategy. That means here's the potential to identify your target audience. So let's say you are selling a service of email marketing, of cold email marketing, and then you're following some cold email creators on LinkedIn which talks only about the cold email marketing services. That means that the following or the followers that he has built so far on his LinkedIn profile, most of them will be the persons who want to take the step on their own. But it also means that 20 to 40% following will be from the businesses who wants to implement the cold email marketing service in their business, and that is where the hidden potential is. So if you want to learn about how you can scrape out all those people and target them with a personalized message, then this video is for you. So we will gonna learn audience hijack framework that have given me a lot of benefits and lot of high ticket clients from international. I'm not talking about India, I'm not talking about the Asia Pacific countries, but I'm talking about USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Sweden, UAE, whichever country you want to talk or you want to target, you can use this audience hijack framework to implement this strategy. The very next step is you have to think in the reverse scenario. That means reverse engineering competitor followers. Now, what does that mean? That means that, for example, if I go on LinkedIn and I have opened this LinkedIn profile where this Samji Winsbury has trained 220 plus personal brands built, Sky, Entrepreneur Insider, founder and CEO, Coago. We create thought leaders through personal branding. And he has got somewhere around 50,400 followers. So that means that the people who wants to build their personal brand are following this person because they either like what he is saying or they want to hire them, hire Sam G. Winsbury to build their personal brand on LinkedIn. So right now we can assume that okay, 50% audience will be the one who wants to take action on their own, and 50% people can be the businesses to whom you can sell the same service. But the problem is, if I try to click on the followers part, I can't scrape out the data because LinkedIn does not allows me this feature. But I have a trick, and that trick only requires two tools. One is Phantom Buster and the other one is the LinkedIn itself. So how to scrape out the audience of your competitor or the creator? For that, what you need to do, you have to open the LinkedIn on a new separate tab, and then you need to search any keyword. For example, like I want to target only the CEO people, so I'll search CEO because I want to sell my services to the CEO, so that like, because I know that they want to build their personal brand on LinkedIn, right? After that, you have to go into this people section, and here's the magic, guys. Then you need to click on all filters, and the all filter section, click on followers of, add a creator and type down the name of your creator for which you want to scrape out the audience. So in my case it is Sam G. Winsbury. I've got his profile, just select it, and then you just have to hit enter, show results. Now what's gonna happen? The magic is LinkedIn gonna show me all the followers of Sam G. Winsbury which contains CEO in their title or maybe in their experience section. Now all these people are following Sam G. Winsbury. Isn't it powerful, guys? Because now I got to know all the people who wants to build their personal brand, and that is why they are following Sam G. Winsbury. If you want, you can apply another filter and filter it on the basis of location. So let's say I want to find out all the people from United States, United Kingdom. So now all the people which contain CEO and they are from two locations, which is USA and UK, but they should be following Sam G. Winsbury, and that is where I got this information. So now all these people wants to build their personal brand because they are following Sam G. Winsbury. But now the thing is, you might be asking, okay, Rohan, this is fine. We got to know how to do this, but can we do this thing manually? Because this is a very, very manual stuff that we have to send connection request to everyone and then we have to go ahead and find it out. But not all of the searches or all of the profiles that are coming up might be interested in my service. So how do I define that? The first step that you have to take is you have to identify or you have to vet this list. And how you can do that? For that, you need this tool called Phantom Buster. So you can use this tool for 14 days for free, and it gives you 2 hour walking time in those 14 days. So you can use this tool for free. All you have to do is just create an account, download the Chrome extension. So you can just download the Chrome extension easily, and then you just need to go ahead and then search once you're inside your account. So I'm just gonna change the dashboard, and then I'm just gonna go on Phantom Buster again. So you see, you can find this into the solutions bar by clicking on LinkedIn, and then you can find LinkedIn search export. So this basically will help you whatever search you have done on LinkedIn so far. So this search query will be shifted into your Google Sheet. So what you have to do, you just have to copy the link of your search query, and then you have to click on use now. Once you click on use now, after that it will ask you, if you have not created the account, just create the account. This is very easy. You do not have to provide your credit card details or any other stuff. Just create the account, and then it will ask you from which account you want to scrape out. So I'm using my different account, and then if you gonna click on next, then you have to give the name of your list, and then you have to paste down the URL of the LinkedIn search query, and after that you just have to click on launch. Once you do it, after that it will start creating the list. I already have got one list which I can definitely show you. So you need to go on LinkedIn leads, and then over here whatever leads you have accepted so far, it will show you. So as you can see that I have accepted the leads of CEOs of all the people who are following Sam G, and then you can see that I've got this list. Along with that, not only the list, I've got their connection degree with me. So most of them are second and third degree connections with me. The people from where they belong. So I've got from Delhi, New Delhi, Switzerland, Melbourne, and from other locations, and their company names as well, along with their company website, professional emails. So for the professional emails, you have to buy their premium subscription, so that like you will be able to find out their professional emails, their job in that particular in that particular organization, their personal email, phone number, title, their company industry, how many followers they have got, and then these other stuff. Most of the fields are blank right now because we are using the free feature, but if you want, you can definitely go ahead and like you can find the emails of all the people that you have got, and then you can go ahead and do the cold emailing part, or you can outreach them with the LinkedIn outreach tools that we will definitely talk about in the coming videos. But this is how you can scrape down your competitor followers, and then you can find it out your ICP. Now I can vet down this list and find it out who can be my ICP. Just imagine that you have a SaaS software that helps to grow your LinkedIn account on the automation basis. So now you got your ICP, because now you can sell your SaaS software to all these people, because you know that these are the people who are interested in growing their brand on LinkedIn. So think of what is your service, who are the best top creators in your service, scrape out the audience, and then use Phantom Buster to create the list and find out the contact details, and then reach out to them. Let me know how useful this technique was, and did you know about this technique earlier, or this is the first time you have heard about it?